In the previous class, I explained the deduction under section 80E. It is relating to interest on loan taken for higher education. Simply you remember interest on loan taken for higher education. This is the point. Okay. And next deduction is deduction in connection with deduction for donation under section 80G. This is the important deduction. 80C and 80G are important deductions, and these two deductions cover maximum items. Therefore, you take care of these two deductions, 80C and 80G. And other deductions are having single items, but these two deductions are having more number of items covered. Okay, so what is donation? Donation is the voluntary payment made to the others. Voluntary payment made by the associate to an organization or to an individual without any consideration. Without any consideration, voluntarily assessee makes the payment to any organization, institution, or individual. That means to others. Okay, that is called as donation. And that donation may be in the form of cash or in the form of kind. Donation may be in the form of cash or in the form of kind. But the deduction allowable under section 80G is the donation if the donation is made. If the donation is made as per the provisions or as per the prescriptions of the income tax department. If the donation is made by the assessee according to the given prescription or according to the given norms of the income tax department, then that the donation is allowable deduction in the gross total income. Gross total income. So I have given the list of donations. The list of donations eligible for deduction and amount of deduction. Okay, so you see the list of donations eligible for deduction under section 80G. I think I made 27 plus G up to G. Round about 35 donation, list of donations are there. So you have to know something about those donations. And the first category of donation, I here made the columns. First is serial number, donation, qualify amount and deduction. What is the amount of deduction? What is the limit of deduction? And what is the qualify amount? Whether it is qualified fully or not, and what is the amount of deduction? Like this, I made the columns. You remember these points. First donation is Prime Minister National Relief Fund. First point is Prime Minister National Relief Fund. 100% qualify. Whatever amount you give, that total amount is qualified for deduction, and it is 100% allowable deduction. You can deduct it. Total amount is deductible. 100% means full amount. 100% means full amount. First is Prime Minister National Relief Fund is the first point. And second point is National Defence Fund. Donation made to National Defence Fund. It is also 100% qualify, 100% deduction. I simply tell you 100% qualify means fully qualified, and deduction limit means what is the amount of deduction. The deduction is 100% means fully deductible. Full amount of donation is deductible. Okay, you remember this. Otherwise, I'll give you the table. On the basis of that table, you come to know it. Okay, first is Prime Minister National Relief Fund. Second is National Defense Fund. Second is National Defense Fund. Third is Africa Fund, public contribution of India. For African country, Indian government made donation and Government of India donated the amount by collecting amount from the public. So it is called as public contribution. So Government of India collected the amount from the public for Africa Fund, and that fund is given to development of Africa. That is called as Africa Fund. Then next is Armenia Earthquake Relief Fund. Armenia Earthquake Relief Fund is the fund for the purpose of earthquake relief, Armenia country. So this is the international donation, 100% qualify, 100% deduction. Next is university or institution of national eminence, so notified. National eminence, not the general universities. Okay, this is the point you remember. National eminence. University or institution of national eminence is the fifth donation. And sixth donation is National Foundation for Communal Harmony. National Foundation for Communal Harmony is the central government fund. Okay. This is the sixth one. And seventh one is Jilla Saksharata Samiti. Jilla Saksharata Samiti is also government organization. Jilla Saksharata Samiti is the seventh point. And eighth point is Chief Minister's Earthquake Relief Fund. Chief Minister's Earthquake Relief Fund, Maharashtra. Okay. So, if your donation is to Government of Maharashtra in the name of Chief Minister for Earthquake Relief Fund, that is the eighth one. And the ninth is Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Cyclone Relief Fund. Cyclone Relief Fund is the fund created by the Andhra Pradesh government. And if you donated to this Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister's Cyclone Relief Fund, you take that point as number 9. And 10th point is National Trust for Welfare of Person with Asthma, cerebral palsy, mental retardation, and multiple disabilities. Severe disability, multiple disabilities. This type of disease is National Trust for Welfare. National Trust for Welfare of these people is there. If you donated to this trust, that is qualify 100% and eligible 100%. Okay. Some specified diseases. The next is National Blood Transfusion Council. National Blood Transfusion Council, State Blood Transfusion Council. In the book, there are two. They split into two items. National Blood Transfusion Council, one. State Blood Transfusion Council, the another. But I mixed the point. I mixed the point and taken as a single point. Otherwise, the number of points will increase. Blood Transfusion Council, state or national level. The next number 12 is any fund set up by the state government to provide medical relief to poor. State government, any fund set up by the state government to provide medical relief to the poor. For providing medical relief to the poor, if any state government created the fund, and to that fund, if you donate, that donation is eligible for 100% qualifying and 100% deduction. 100% deduction. This is the 12th point. And 13th point is Army Central Welfare Fund, Indian Naval Benevolent Fund, or Air Force Central Welfare Fund. Here there are 3 points. One is Army, second is Navy, third is Air Force. I mixed the 3 and taken as single point. Taken as single point. Remember this. Okay. Then next is National Illness Assistance Fund. National Illness Assistance Fund. This is the 14th point. And 15th point is the Chief Minister's or Lieutenant Governor's Relief Fund. Chief Minister is for the state government and Lieutenant Governors are for the Union Territories. Union Territory head is called as Lieutenant Governor and state head is called as Chief Minister. Okay, Chief Minister or Lieutenant Governor's Relief Fund. This is the 15th point. And 16th point is National Sports Fund, National Cultural Fund, and Technology Development and Application Fund set up by the central government. Here there are 3 points. Remember, one is National Sports Fund, second is National Cultural Fund, and third is Technology Development and Application. Here are the 3 points. I mixed and taken one single point. Okay, in your book there are more number of points as compared to my explanation. Don't take it confused. Okay, I try to reduce the number of points. So National Sports Fund, National Cultural Fund, Technology and Development Application Fund. Here 3 points. And in the point number 13 there are 3 points. And next in the point number 11, 2 points. 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3, 8 points. 8 points reduced and made only 3. Okay. 16th is the 100% qualify, 100% deductible. You see this 16th one. And next 17th point is any fund set up by the state government of Gujarat for earthquake victims in Gujarat. Earthquake victims in Gujarat, if you donate it to the state government of Gujarat, fund set up by the state government of Gujarat for earthquake victim fund. That is the 17 point. Next 18th is Tsunami Relief Fund. You heard the word tsunami and you also heard the effect of tsunami. So Tsunami Relief Fund is the 18th point. And 19th point is National Children's Relief Fund. National Children's Relief Fund, 19 number. Then 20 is Swachh Bharat. Swachh Bharat Kosh set up by the central government. Set up by the central government. Then next is 21 number. Clean India Fund set up by the central government. Sorry, Clean Ganga. Clean Ganga's fund set up by the central government. Okay. Next number 22 is National Fund for Control of Drug Abuse. National Fund for Control of Drug Abuse is the 22 number. And 23 number point, you see that 1 to 22 number. 1 to 22 number points are 100% qualified. Whatever amount you donate, whatever amount you donate from number 1 to 22, 100% qualify and 100% deductible from your income. 100% deductible from your amount. But from 22 onwards, you see them. Prime Minister National Drought Relief Fund. Prime Minister National Drought Relief Fund, 100% qualified. Whatever amount you give, fully qualified. But deductible up to 50% only. Out of total contribution, 50% is deductible. For example, if you donate to the Prime Minister National Drought Relief Fund 10,000 rupees. If you donate 10,000 rupees, 10,000 is qualified. 10,000 is qualified. But deduction given to you people is only 50%. 50% of 10,000 is 5,000. So 5,000 only deductible. If you give 10,000, 5,000 is deductible. If you give 10 lakh rupee, 5 lakh rupees is deductible. This is the point you remember, 50% deductible. 24 number point, Rajiv Gandhi Foundation. Rajiv Gandhi Foundation 100% qualify and deductible is only 50%. This is also 50%. Next is Jawaharlal Nehru Memorial Fund. Jawaharlal Nehru Memorial Fund is 100% qualify, 50% deductible. Then Indira Gandhi Memorial Fund 100% qualify, 50% deductible. These last four items 100% qualified. Whatever amount you use, that full qualified. But deductible is only 50% of that value. 50% of the donation is deductible, not fully deductible. This is the point you remember. Okay. And here are the 26 points. Here are the 26 points I made. Okay. As per your book, I think the points may be 26 plus 5, 31. More than 31 points are there in the book. More than 31 points are there in book, but I made only 26 by reducing them. Okay, you remember 26 points. And some of my friends told that it is very difficult to remember 26 points. It is very difficult to remember 26 points. How to remember these? You don't worry if the donation is made to the central government or state government. Central or state government wording comes in the donation. Central or state or national or international. You remember the clue what I am telling. Central, state, international or government level. Donations comes under these category. Donations comes under these category. ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಟುಕೋರಿ, ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಬಾಯ್ಪಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗುದಿಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮಗೂ ಆಗುದಿಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೂ ಆಗುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರ, ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಡೊನೇಷನ್ಗಳು ಇದ್ದು, ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಡೊನೇಷನ್ಗಳು ಇದ್ದು, ಅಥವಾ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಇದ್ದು, ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರ ಅವನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ 100% ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫೈ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ 26 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನ ಯಾವ ಬರ್ತಾವ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರ, ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬರ್ತತಿ, ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬರ್ತತಿ, ಆ ನಂತರ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ. ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತಾವ. 26 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ನೆನ್ಪಿಡೋದ? ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೈಪಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಬೈಪಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೀವಿಷ್ಟ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ಈ 26 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನಾನು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರ ಅದರ ವರ್ಡ್ ಏನಾರ ಒಂದ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹೆಸರು ಇರ್ತೈತಿ ಅಥವಾ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ವರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಬಂದಿರ್ತೈತಿ, ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ, ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ, ಅಥವಾ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಅಂತ ಒಂದ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಟೀಟ ಇವ್ ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ವರ್ಡ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತಂದ್ರ ಇವು 26 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನಾಗ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡು. ಟೀಟ ಇಷ್ಟು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಇವು 26 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅದಾವು. ಈ 26 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರ ವರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್, ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದ್ ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಸಾಕ್ಷರತಾ ಸಮಿತಿ, ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಒಂದ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಟೀಟ ಇಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ನೀವು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಂಡು ಈ 26 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ನ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ 100% ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫೈ ಇದಾವು. 26 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ 22ನೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನಂತರ 50% ಡಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ. ಇದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ನೀವು ಇವು 4 ಹೆಂಗ್ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದ? 4 ಹೆಂಗ್ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರ, ಜವಾಹರ್ಲಾಲ್ ನೆಹರು, ಅವನ ಮಗಳು ಇಂದಿರಾ ಗಾಂಧಿ, ಇಂದಿರಾ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಮಗ ರಾಜೀವ್ ಗಾಂಧಿ, 3 ಮಂದಿ ನೆನಪು ಉಳಿತಾರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಯಾವ್ರದ್ದಿ? ಜವಾಹರ್ಲಾಲ್ ನೆಹರು, ಇಂದಿರಾ ಗಾಂಧಿ, ರಾಜೀವ್ ಗಾಂಧಿ. ಇವ್ರ 3 ಒಂದೇ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಅವ್ರ ಇದಾರೆ. ಅಜ್ಜ, ಮಗಳ, ಮೊಮ್ಮಗ. ಇವ್ರ 3 ಮಂದಿ ಹೆಸರು ನೀವು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರ 3 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕವರ್ ಅದು. ಇನ್ನ ಅದ್ರ ಕೂಡ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಯಾವ್ದು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ರಿಲೀಫ್ ಫಂಡ್. ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ರಿಲೀಫ್ ಫಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಐತದ. ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದು? ಏನ್ ಕರೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಾಗ? ಬರ, ಬರಗಾಲ ಪರಿಹಾರ ನಿಧಿ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ರಿಲೀಫ್ ಫಂಡ್ ಇದೊಂದು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡು. ಜವಾಹರ್ಲಾಲ್ ನೆಹರು, ಇಂದಿರಾ ಗಾಂಧಿ, ರಾಜೀವ್ ಗಾಂಧಿ, ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ರಿಲೀಫ್ ಫಂಡ್. ಇವು 4 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವು 50% ಡಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರ್ತಾವು. ಉಳಿದೆಲ್ಲ 100% ಡಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರ್ತಾವು. ಇದನ್ನ 26 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಅದಾವ. ಇಂದಿರಾ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಮೆಮೋರಿಯಲ್ ಫಂಡ್ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಐತಿ, ಸಿಧು ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಐತಿ, ರಾಜೀವ್ ಗಾಂಧಿ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಐತಿ. 23ನೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಐತಿ. 23, 24, 25, 26 ಇಷ್ಟು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನೀವು ನೆನಪಿಡ್ಬೇಕು. These comes under 100% qualify and 100% deduction. You remember this. This is the table you remember. And how to remember? I have given the clue. Come to the next. Next donations. Next donations are, there are A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Up to G. I have given the number. This is the second category. This is second category of donations. Donation to government. Donation to government or local authority. Donation to government or local authority or any institution or association approved by central government for the purpose of promoting family planning. Any local authority, any hospital, any institution, any association established for the purpose of promoting family planning. Your donation to the government or semi-government or local government or private institutions or private associations, but that association must be established for promoting family planning. This one word ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಟುಕೋರಿ. ಹಿಂದಿಂದೆಲ್ಲ ಮರ್ತು ಬಿಟ್ಟರು, ಎಲ್ಲ ನೆನ್ಪಿಡಕ್ ಆಗುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಏನಿರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲಿ? ಪ್ರಮೋಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್. ಪ್ರಮೋಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್ is the important term here. This promotion of family planning is the only one term. Donation to promoting family planning is the point you remember. Point you remember. And this is not 100% qualified. There is a restriction and there is a rule. I'll tell you the rule afterwards, after completing these points. This is the second category of donations. Then second is donations made to a company, paid by a company. Donation, a sum paid by the company. Indian Olympic Association. It is to the Indian Olympic Association or to any institute notified by the central government for developing and the infrastructure for sports and games. Sports and games. You remember only Olympic Association. Donation to Olympic Association. And India or sponsorship of the sports and games. This is the detailed information regarding the second. The donation for the promotion of sports or developments of sports and games. Sports and games 100% deductible, 100% deductible. Okay, you remember these points. And A point, B point, then C is donation to government or local authority to be utilized for the purpose other than promoting family planning. Donation to any local authority, this is always it is donation to local authority other than promoting family planning. Family planning is the A point. A is the family planning point. Other than family planning is the C point. C is the third point is other than family planning. You remember this word. Donation to any purpose other than the purpose of family planning. Other than purpose of family planning means education purpose or development purpose or any other purposes. But that should be approved by the income tax department. Remember this. Other than family planning. Third point. Then fourth point is donation to notified temple, mosque, gurudwara, church or other places, other historical places notified by the central government, archaeological or artistic importance or to be a place of public worship or renown throughout the of any state or states. Remember this. About this, you remember only donation to this. What is this? Donation to mosque, gurudwara, church, or other places. This is the D point. A is family planning. B is games point. Olympic games and development of games. Third is other than family planning. Donation to any association other than family planning. Here we take educational institution, donation to educational institution, C point. And third is religious, temple, mosque or gurudwara, church, etc. Religious purpose, D. Okay. Next is E point. Donation to corporate set up by the government for promoting the interest of members of the minority community. Minority community promotion. To promote the minority community, any corporation setup. This is the point, E point. F point. F is donation to educational institution, charitable institution, sports institution. F. And G is donation to any authority constituted in India by or under the law enacted for the purpose of dealing with the satisfying the needs of housing accommodation. You remember donation to housing development board. Housing development board in the villages. Housing development is G point. These are the points of donations. In the first category, I explained 26 points. In the second category, I explained up to G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A is relating to promotion of family